Given is a set A and B. AC and BC are the complements of the set A and B. So what is the value of this term? We'll do this using Venn diagram. Suppose this is universe of discourse U. This is our set A. This is our set B. Now first term is A minus B. Let's A minus B is this term from here to here, and this from black I have writing A minus B. After that B minus A. B minus A is this one, and the third is A intersection B. A intersection B is this one, that is common in both A and B. Now union of all the three, this union, this, that is, it is equal to A union B, whole A and whole B. That is option A is correct.